Welcome back. Today we conclude the How to Budget series. My name is Adam Lasowski. Welcome to the 3-Minute Advisor. Let's start the clock. We've reached the end of the How to Budget series, and if you followed along with the videos to this point, we've captured all the information we need to use the budget going forward. Now, we've created an incredible tool that hopefully has helped you organize your finances for the past month, and in this video we're going to be covering some of the ways that we're going to use this to organize our finances going forward. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to use your budget before the next month begins. Assuming we're in a comfortable place with the prior month, you can very simply duplicate that entire sheet to the next month and simply edit the month to reflect the new month coming up. Starting with your expenses, remove anything you don't anticipate spending from your mandatory expenses for the upcoming month. Next, delete any of your discretionary expenses that were unplanned or spur of the moment. For my sample budget here, that's the fast food. I like to leave my fluctuating monthly expenses, like gas and groceries, unchanged. Now, if it turns out I spent slightly more or less, I can adjust that at the end of the month. Once you're done projecting your coming month's expenses, this is where some reflection on your budget can be pretty eye-opening. How much did our spending drop just by eliminating the things that we don't need or didn't plan on spending? Maybe more importantly, how does that number compare to how much we're actually saving each month? If you have any changes to your income, you can adjust that. But for most people, our income section of the budget, as well as the withholdings, will be the same going forward month to month. Finally, use these projected numbers for the month coming up to determine your projected monthly net cash flow. This number will probably be a lot more positive than it was in the month before. The goal of each month should be taking as much of that net cash flow number and moving it to savings as possible. Now, if this is the first month that you've done a budget, I would challenge you to start doing this immediately. This is an important step. Decide how much of this number, this monthly net cash flow, that you're able to save and add this into your monthly savings column. That means you're moving this amount into a savings account before any bills get paid and before any spending. And try not to spend it the entire month unless there's an emergency. With each month going forward, you're going to get better and better at this, and your budget will get more and more accurate. The first couple months, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, but stick with it. I promise, it does get easier. Now, it's only my opinion, but I think half the value of budgeting is a simple awareness of how much of our income we have that we're spending rather than saving. Now, I'd love to help out if you've made it all the way through the series. You'll find some contact information for me in the description below. While this concludes the How to Budget videos, the 3-Minute Advisor series will continue. And in the coming weeks, we're going to take a look at one of the questions I get asked more than any other. How much should I be saving? Now, savings is tough, but you can do it. And if you can't, maybe these videos can help out. Thanks for watching.